Greetings, my name is James Curtis Geis. I've been a history teacher for 20 plus years. I've been writing since 2016. I love my coffee and I love my Dr. Squatch cologne. If you enjoy my stories, please hit like and subscribe. My stories today are coming from poetry of the Kathy Lee Gifford Child Labor Sweatshop Retirement Village. So the first story is called A Tree Falls in the Woods. If a tree falls in the woods and no one is there to hear it, did it make a noise? Is it possible a tree falls in the woods and a person witnesses and it does not make a noise? I was once hiking with my ex-wife and a large rotted out tree fell in the distance. I thought I heard it make a noise and she said it did not. Therefore I was wrong. I learned to choose peace over being right. My second story is called Funny Pronunciations. My wife is Filipina. My wife's first language is Tagalog. English is the second language for my Filipino wife. She says cinema in place of movies. She calls mulch stinky mud. On her summer getaway to Wildwood, New Jersey, she proclaims, "I love the bitch." I say, "No, honey, it's pronounced beach." She says, "I hope the hotel has a jacuzzi." I go, "No, honey, it's called a jacuzzi." On the Garden State Parkway, towards the early summer weekend getaway, Helen points to a light blue classic pickup truck, and she says, "Look, Jim, a doogie." I go, "No, honey. It's called a Dodge." I love mi esposa. So God bless you, all humans and ETs. Thank you so much for listening, and all my books are on Amazon.